Thank you.
Thank you.
Kindly draw closer to your microphones for me.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Sure. Now, a lot of people are quite skeptical when they hear about loans. Let me start with you, Sina. Should people be worried when they hear about loans?
No, not at all. And before I respond to you, let me say good morning to your listeners. And these days, I know you stream live, and so your viewers are
on
as
Facebook as well.
Yeah. So I don't think you should be scared of loans. Actually, when you hear of loans with very good package, you should run at it. Why do I so? So when you take a loan, typically what you are doing is to draw your future closer, because I mean, let's face it, you may be saving for your first car, and as you save, mind you, inflation is around the corner, and so the value of your savings, by the time you get to where you are buying, the car would have moved. And so what you can do is to take a loan today, grab your car, and as you make the money, you service the loan. And so when you take a loan, it's actually some good news. You bring your future closer to you. And so people should never be scared of taking loans, but they should make sure that when they take the loan, the use of the proceeds is what is important. So for instance, if you took a loan and you use it for a non-value added activity, obviously after 3 months you would feel the impact, because you took a loan and then you blew the money. Obviously you'll be stressed out.
Okay. Sina makes it sound very easy and simple to, grab yourself a loan. But, a lot of people are scared because the issue of interest comes to play. How do we navigate this whole issue? Okay, yes, you need something immediately, you don't have the funds, you can go in for a loan, but then the interest rate, it seems to scare a lot of people.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, and good morning to your your listeners, and then to your viewers as well. Okay, so when it comes to interest, when you think about a bank that's like GCB that thinks about its customers, I mean, you would not expect anything but the best. So currently, GCB is offering loans up to a whopping 700,000 Ghana cedis to its customers. So
an individual can get as much as 700,000?
Up to, yes. So it depends on your income, and depends on the number of years you are also taking it. And luckily for GCB, at this 700,000 cedis loan that we are giving to our customers, we are giving you an interest rate of 22%. That's the nominal rate. And luckily it is calculated on reducing balance. So effectively, when you take a facility from GCB or a personal loan, you pay 13.1% at the end of the year. Because we use the reducing balance method to calculate the interest that we... So
because GCB, I mean, anybody listening in and wondering, what is the reducing balance method? What does it mean in the simplest of terms?
Okay, great. Okay, so when we indicate that the interest rates that we are applying on the loan that you have taken is 22%. However, the reducing balance method in calculating the interest that you pay on the loan, assuming we tell you that, okay, you took 10,000, month one, you are paying, let's say, 300 cedis. Out of these 300, it's made up of the interest and then the principal. Assuming the interest is, let's say, 50 cedis, and then the principal is 150. The next month, when we are calculating, we'll less the 150, which is the principal, from the loan amount you've taken, and then apply the 22% on the reduced balance. Okay. So that is what we call the reducing balance rate method in calculating the interest. All
right. So that is the GCB approach for this personal loan that you have. Okay. Now, why have you found it necessary? So should I go to Sina, or should remain with you? Okay. Sina, why has GCB found it necessary to roll out this product?
So you may be aware that last year GCB was 70 years, and we are 71 as we speak. We are asking ourselves around this time, what is it that we can give to our customers as we are celebrating and I mean our 70th birthday, and then now it's 71. So we thought of the system and said, look, and this whole promo started in August. We said in September, schools would reopen.
Back to school.
Just after schools have reopened, people will be planning towards their Xmas and all the things that would happen in between. And so how do we distress our customers? And so we have chronicled this whole loan promo, skip the stress and then get the cash. So how do we give something back to our customers? And that's how come we launched this promo. We are saying that for our customers who have been doing business with us for the 71 years we've been around, and more importantly, those who want to switch and join the best bank, what can we put in place to welcome them? And so we have put this loan promo together to give our customers up to 700,000 Ghana cedis for up to 5 years at a fixed interest rate of 22%. And the
no matter what happens.
No matter what happens. And the juice in this is that as you take the loan, we give you a 1 month moratorium. So your first month, you took the loan, let's say you took the loan today, 30th of September. What we are saying is that in the month of September, for instance, some banks would have just applied it. We are saying we are giving you that month off, and then you have a whole 1 month to prepare and learn your way how to service the loan. And so this is our own way of giving back to the society, giving back to our customers, and join them in relieving their stress. People must plan ahead of time. And so if you grabbed your loan today, you can start shopping for Xmas. You can actually start shopping for 2025 because 2025 is just around the corner. And those who want to go on holidays, I mean, this is an opportunity for you to fet your family. And you can only get this from the Bank for Life, that's GCB.
Okay. Now, Belinda, you talked about the reduce balance method, right? Yeah. Okay, that's one of the unique things about this package. Is there any other thing that is unique about it?
Okay, thank you very much. And also, we give you over a 5-year period. Okay. So up to 60 months, you can decide to take it for 3 years, for 2 years, for 5 years as well. And also, when your repayment travels 25%, so if you take it for, let's say, 3 years and it travels for 9 months, you are eligible to come for a top-up, and there's no fee. Wow. That, yes, you're not going to pay anything. We also ensure that our upfront fees are reduced drastically. We have credit life insurance that is preparing for the unforeseen as well. So we have a whole lot of packages, juicy package for our customers. Okay.
And just to add, to Belinda, you know, GCB's loan is delivered in 24 hours.
Oh, really?
I mean,
so if I apply for it at 8 a.m. today, I'm most likely going to get it by 8 or 9 a.m. tomorrow?
You could actually get it by close of business today.
Wow.
So when we say 24 hours, the count actually starts when you complete all the processes, you sign off on your form, and the forms are regular and they are in order. You can start counting your 24, and on or before that 24 hour, your account would be credited. And already we are changing lives. We are changing life for those who have come around. I mean, they have been marveled by our turnaround time, and some keep asking ourselves, how do we do this? And I say, well, we've been around for 71 years, and so experience counts. It's only GCB that would deliver that value. And on top of all this, we are saying that if you have a loan with another institution and you are paying, I mean, killing interest rate, don't stay there. Just come to GCB and let's refinance the loan for you. And so all you need to do is to switch your bank account to GCB. We will give you the money to go and pay off the stressful loans and just come to GCB and relax. So it's something that is inclusive. It is holistic. Every Ghanaian would have to take advantage of this, because this is what GCB was from day one established to do, and we haven't closed our eyes to this very important task.
Responsibility.
Yeah.
Okay. And who can apply for this loan? Who can apply for it?
Thank you. So one, you need to be a salary earner. Okay, and you need to maintain your salary account with GCB as well.
Okay.
So your salary comes in month one. That is, if you do not have your salary account with us, but you decide based on the package that we have, the very juicy package we have, you want to enjoy it, you bring your salary to GCB for month one, and then you qualify for the facility. And for those who want to refinance, as Sina said, I mean, you go through the process by just opening the account, and then we go through the process, not necessarily bringing your salary now, but then you can enjoy the facility, and then your salary would come in. So, and also you should also have a very good credit score. So that is very important, that you haven't taken a facility elsewhere and you haven't paid and you are coming to GCB. We will definitely reference the bureau to get that information. So
and when you talk about credit worthiness, I mean, these days there's a lot of talk about people, you know, applying for loans via their mobile networks and all that. Will that play a role, for instance, in the checks? If you find out that someone has taken such a, maybe as minimum as 200 or 300 CDs and has not paid back, will that have any impact on the person's credit worthiness?
Yes, it should. It will definitely have impact on that, because we all work with a reference bureau and make sure that, I mean, if you take a facility, you have to be very responsible and pay back. Very, very important, so that the next person can also enjoy the facility. Okay. Yeah.
And is there a minimum amount someone can apply for?
Yeah.
Because you say you can go all the way to 700,000. So what's the minimum?
So the minimum is as low as 1,000 Ghana cedis. So I mean, we
that one
just
should come at interest fee.
Well, 1,000 Ghana cedis. I mean, nowadays, you know what banks do is to work with the deposit of our customers. So nowadays, your account with GCB will take 1,000 Ghana cedis out of that your account and give to the one who applies for.
There should be some interest on it.
Something small, so we can pay nowadays some token.
Okay.
Yeah. And to add, now GCB is giving a full package. And I say this because we have an award-winning app. Our mobile banking app, we call it the Recoded app, won an award last year. And so the utility in this whole loan promo is that after we have disbursed the money, we also give you a platform to help you manage your lifestyle as far as this money is concerned. And so if you are building, we have merchant who supply cement, we have merchant who can give you sand, we have merchant who can give you blocks. And so you don't actually have to go out there and go buy these things. You just stay at the comfort of your home, and then you do the transfer. As you do these transfers, you earn points, and your points can actually crystallize into cashback stuff for you. And so it's a whole value chain of goodies, and we are doing this for Ghanaians, and we want every Ghanaian to take advantage of these goodies.
All right. Sounds very good. At the moment, I feel like I should come for a loan, but I have to relax. Let me relax first, because it sounds very enticing. Any final words for our viewers and listeners?
Oh, okay.
I'll start with you, Belinda, then I'll give
All right. Okay. Thank you very much. So, customers out there, salary accounts earners out there, Ghanaians out there, we are ready to provide all the financing, the secure financing that you need. We have given you a package that is very juicy, that it's moderate in terms of the cost of borrowing, and we want you to take advantage. It's a 6-month promo. We've gone almost 2 months now.
So we started in August.
Yes, we started in August. It's almost 4 months down. Up to January 31st. And we know that schools will be reopening at that time. So the financing is, or the personal loan is still available for you to access. And we want you to, come. We are ready to serve you. We are ready to offer you all that you need when it comes to financing. Thank you so much. All right. Okay.
You're welcome.
Yes. Yeah,
Do they have to walk into any of your branches to start the process?
So they can walk in, or they can also call our toll-free line 0800 422 422. And a salesperson.
Can you repeat it?
So 0800 422 422. They just need to place a call, and a salesperson would be mapped to wherever they are to come complete the process, just to give the customers the convenience they require. And my final words are to thank our cherished customers for doing business with us. I mean, in 71 years, we know the number of banks that have gone down in this country, but GCB has been robust, has been resilient, all because of our customers. And to also tell them that these days there are these scammers and these fraudsters who are calling customers and asking them to connect their Ghana card and all that. They end up defrauding these customers, and we are saying that GCB will under no circumstance call you to relay your Ghana card or personal information over phone. Okay. And so anytime they receive such calls, we would encourage them to decline and not to give any information. And they should call us on our toll-free line, the line I just gave out, 0800 422 422, and we would help deal with those fraudsters. And to thank them, and they should continue doing business with us. The loans have been put together for them, and they should enjoy it whilst it lasts. Okay. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
You're welcome. GCB?
Your bank for life.
Fantastic. And then there's a tag that comes with this loan. So skip the stress?
Skips the
get
stress
the
and
cash.
get the cash.
Oh, wait. So you can repeat that.
Yes, so GCB loan, skip the stress, get the cash.
All right. Thank you all very much. I have a question for you, Sina.
Yeah.
I want you to tell me the meaning of your name.
So which one? So Sina
yes.
is Apex. It's an Arabic name, Apex.
Okay.
And Kamagati is a village name.
Oh, it doesn't matter. What does it mean?
It's a family name.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, and I wish you a lovely day.
All right. Thank you. Enjoy your day.
Thank you very much.
Sure.